All right, y'all. So the next section is the background. So what you're doing is you're essentially getting the information you need to answer your testable question. For the background information, you can go to the lab handout. There is an introduction part, all right? If you want to, you can just take this whole thing, copy and paste it, make sure you put it in quotes, and in parentheses, tell me where you got it. Lab handout. You don't have to put this in MLA format, mainly because it's a lab handout that I made and it's not a formal document, and so we're just going to go with this right here and just put the whole thing in quotes so that you don't end up plagiarizing. So what you really need to do is after you get that put there, you need to go in and research the different types of test material: metal, which is aluminum, aluminum oxide, which is a ceramic, polypropylene, which is a plastic, and silicone. All right, you need to you're designing a cell phone case, so tell me, do you want a high specific heat capacity or a low specific heat capacity for a cell phone case? Research that. What about electrical resistivity? Do you want a high electrical resistivity or a low electrical resistivity? Do you want high fracture toughness or low fracture toughness? Do you want high thermal conductivity or low thermal conductivity? So, the more information, the higher you're going to earn on the rubric. Remember to look at the rubric to figure out what grade you want, and then give me that level of detail. A couple of sentences for a section, that is going to give you probably around a 2. All right, if you want a 3 or a 4, give me at least a decent paragraph or 2 for each of these. All right, so that's the background information.